Hi, I'm Amanda Haberstroh. I'm liaison to the College of Nursing graduate programs, and I'm going to show you today how to use our room reservation system. From the Laupus homepage, you'll see a link to reserve a room. Click on that link. You'll be taken to the booking grid. This booking grid will show you the availability of all the rooms in Laupus Library. Green blocks mean that the room is available. Red blocks mean that the space is not available at that time. So let's walk through how to make a reservation. When I want to make a reservation, all I need to do is select a green block. You'll see that the screen will pop down to the bottom where I can manage my booking. I can see my room, the date, and I can select my end time. When I'm currently working on a reservation, the block will turn orange. I cannot manage my reservation from this part of the screen. I need to scroll down to the bottom to make any changes to the length of time or to delete my selection. Another thing to know is that when those blocks are orange, nobody else can take my reservation out from under me. It is currently held so that it is unavailable for other people to reserve as well. I can make a reservation from any increment of time from half an hour up to 6 hours. In this example, I can only go up to 2 hours because there's already an existing reservation 2 hours after the beginning of my reservation. When I'm satisfied with my selection, I can click on Submit Times. You'll see that the system will prompt me to log in with my ECU credentials. Once I've logged in, I can manage my reservation. Here I can see the room that I've reserved, the time that I'm going to arrive, and the time that I will release my reservation. If at this point I've noticed that I've made an error, I can click on Remove and it will delete that reservation and I can start over. If I'm happy with it, then I can select Submit My Booking. Notice also that my email address is showing. This will let me know that the confirmation email will be sent to my ECU email address. After I submit my booking, I can see this booking details confirmation page. Again, I see the room that I reserved, the time, and the date. And it lets me know there will be an email confirmation sent to my email address. Let's take a look at what this confirmation email looks like. The subject line says, "Your room reservation has been confirmed." I also see "Do not delete." This is because in the confirmation email, there is a code that I need to use when I arrive to my reservation so that I can check in. Here I can review the floor that my room is located, the room itself, the time, and the date. Notice as well there are instructions for what to do when I arrive. When I arrive at my reservation, I will scan the QR code with my phone, which is located on the front of the study room door. I will then be prompted to enter a 3-digit code, which is right here in my confirmation email. If I need to make any adjustments to my reservation at this point, I can click on Cancel this reservation, and then I will be taken to a page where I can make that cancellation. Here, I can cancel the booking, and I can start over. Thanks for watching, and as always, please let us know if we can do anything to help.